You guys ready?
Yep.
Listen for the tone.
What in the world?
What do you remember in the old track?
Wow. That was wild.
I'm ready to rip it down the
Man,
straightaway.
you just took brain out.
Let him catch up.
It's fine.
More aerodynamic, right?
Ready to go. Marshall's ready. Driver's ready.
I see takeout front.
We are going on the tone. Oh, Carter jumped to start. Eric hitting in the back of Brandon. Brandon gets around him. Oh, he hits him again. Did somebody order takeout? I think it's here. After your first lap, the order is going to stay the same. Adam, Brandon, Eric, and Daniel. Eric's trying to mount the charge here to catch, or sorry, yes, Eric's trying to mount the charge to catch Brandon here. See if he can clean it up and put some fast laps in. Meanwhile, Adam's checking out.
What to do? That's an everyday thing. I'm going to Walmart for him every day.
Daniel, that is your leader. Thank you for letting him go. Go ahead, Adam.
Let him go? No, he's on. He's T-bone me. I want to take out.
Brandon's putting on a charge. Seeing if he can catch Adam here. Oh, right in the middle, left in the middle.
Big Brandon first.
Marshall's ready. Listen for the tone.
Hey, you guys, just go as fast as you can. Only to turn yours up 100. You know how I pass you twice in the same lap?